Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely great way to keep your house clean, in particularly your mattress or your couch, and it's going to suck up all those dust mites that you don't want hanging around in your house, and that is a mattress vacuum. So this was sent over by basically JIGOO, and this is the device. Once you open it up, it's very, very simple to utilize. The model I have here is the J300 Pro. It comes with a nice long cord, so you can easily plug this in and be able to go all the way around the couch, go all the way around your bed. It even has a little cable management here, so that way when you're not utilizing it, it's easy to go ahead and bundle in, put away in a closet or under your bed or something like that. But this has a massive 500 watt of power, and it has a 14 kPa suction. Very, very easy to use, very comfortable handle. Power button's right here on where your thumb goes. But why this is kind of unique, why is this different from a standard vacuum cleaner, for example, is it has some technology built in here. First off, it's going to notice on the underside, you're going to see this kind of like little disc area. That's because this is going ahead and having a kind of ultrasonic, if you will, that's breaking up the little dust and debris. It's allowing it to be sucked up into your vacuum cleaner right here. You're going to notice you're going to have an aluminum wheel with the little rubber pieces that's going to go really, really fast. And then you're going to notice you're going to have all these little lights, because this does have a UV light built into it as well. So that's going to be able to basically heat up and grab all that debris that you don't want, because it's shaking it, getting it loose, and then sucking it up and making sure it's nice and clear. Now, another cool thing, because of that U-FIR, for example, ultraviolet, you're gonna notice on the back side of here, you're gonna have your percentage of dust mites. Is actually giving you a reading of what kind of debris it's collecting, and then it's going to go ahead and you want to get it down to low numbers when you just keep going over the area nice and slowly. Then it's going to tell you kind of your cleaning status, just a visual icon, whether it's green or whether it's high with dust mites, for example. Now along the bottom here, you're gonna have four little icons. It's your ultrasonic, your dry, your sterilization, and your pat. Those are gonna be automatically always working. You're gonna only notice some of them, like for example, if you pick it up, that UV light is gonna turn off, so that way you don't accidentally hit somebody around with that light, because it's censored to when it is on the ground. There's little kind of plugs here that basically activate that, if you will. Now the heating mode, it does heat up to help kill any of that junk out there. Goes up to 140 degrees, so you will notice on the side it does get quite warm, so you want to make sure to hold on to the handle. As far as emptying the chamber, it's kind of a cool little design. So there's a little open button on the side. Simply press that and you can go ahead and pull that out. There is a little sponge filter just that sucks in the air. If this ever gets dirty, just rinse it up underneath the faucet and then go ahead and just make sure it's thoroughly dry before putting this back in here. Now, as far as the container itself, as you can see, it's a nice little size here, but you're not sucking up a ton of debris. It's not like a vacuum cleaner. You don't need this giant collection container. As you can see, I have some debris from doing my couch, but there is basically on the other side, this is where the air is going for. And so to keep it from making sure it's maintaining its perfect suction, it go ahead and flips it over to the debris bin, so that way you're not losing suction while activating it, which is kind of cool. You'll notice this is a little door down here at the bottom. This is where you can put an aroma disc. It comes with one aroma disc. If you wish, it's gonna last you like a couple months, but if you don't wanna use that, it's up to you whether you like to have that option as well. And then on the top part, go ahead and just open the button, and now you can just pour it out and dump out the debris. On the rotating disc, when you need to clean this, I suggest doing this maybe once a month. Whenever it kind of looks dirty, it just pulls straight up It's made just out of a little plastic part. And then you're gonna notice it's gonna have this nice sponge filter in here. You're gonna get 2 spare sponge filters, so you can have 3 in total. Once again, you can just rinse this out and make sure it's thoroughly dry before putting it in. So everything is easy to clean. You don't have any extra like consumable parts besides the aroma disc that needs to constantly be replaced, which is nice. So it's very easy to empty, very easy to clean, and then reset up, just slides back into place and you're good to go again. So like I said, if you are looking to tackle those just grime that's floating around on your mattress, on your couches, on your fabric, this is a great way to do that. It has some really cool built-in tech. So if you are in the market for a mattress vacuum cleaner, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.